Hey guys, have you ever wondered the difference between ceramic coating and paint protective film, which is also known as PPF, and then how combining the two actually creates an ultimate protection package for your vehicle? Well, great. Let's meet in the shop and I'll explain that to you. Hi, I'm Tim Cannady of Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia. Welcome to the shop. Let's take a minute and explain the difference between ceramic coatings and paint protection film, also known as PPF, for you. So let's start out with ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings are a clear liquid coating that's hand applied panel by panel after we detail, decontaminate, and polish the paint. Ceramic coatings are designed to add years of shining protection, offering far greater durability and scratch resistance than what your traditional waxes would. Ceramic coatings are perfect for new vehicles, daily drivers that you want to protect, and show car classics. Now, paint protection film does everything that a ceramic coating does, but it also adds impact protection. Paint protection film is applied as a wrap. Now, many people choose to PPF their entire vehicle as they did on this Corvette, but depending on how you drive or the lifestyle of your vehicle, you can offer protection only in the high impact areas like the front of the vehicle or on the sides as well. Both ceramic coatings and paint protection film are great options for protecting your vehicle, but when it comes to choosing, it really comes down to your budget and the kind of protection that you're looking for. If ultimate protection is your style, then combining PPF protection to your high impact areas and then ceramic coating the entire vehicle greatly reduces road debris impact and locks in that new car look for years. If you have additional questions or you'd like to know the best form of protection for your vehicle, then click the link and we'll provide a free personalized quote.